This video is showing a 41 amp or a 30 horsepower Vacon VFD, also known as a Danfoss 136G8971, being tested after full rebuild and repair. This particular drive used the higher range of input power, 500 to 690 VAC, which ERD is fully capable of working with. This driver came to us dead and needed a full rebuild and a new power cube to get the driver up and running. At ERD, we help preserve the value of equipment after the OEM either no longer supports it or pieces for the equipment become scarce due to various issues. We take great pride in maintaining systems that make a wide variety of products in several different industries.